Discover the power of Canva in this beginner-friendly video and explore why you should use it for all your graphic design needs. Whether you are a solopreneur, virtual assistant, social media manager, or small business owner, Canva empowers you to create stunning visuals. No design experience required. Learn about Canva's drag and drop editor, customizable templates, blank kits, and fonts, collaboration features, and pro subscription perks. By the end of this video, you will know exactly how Canva can level up your marketing, social media, presentations, and more. Right here we are on blank kit, where you can add your logo and it will generate out all the colors that was used to design the logo. You add the font, photos, and other things related to your brand. So after doing that, you can add your blank voice right into the blank kit in Canva. You add the photos, in which you import the pictures from your gallery into the Canva, or everything under blank kit. You add the graphics, you add the icons, everything under the blank kit to make your design easier and faster anytime you want to design on Canva. Next, we choose social media. We will choose the Instagram post. Not what we have two sides, we have the portrait and the square one. Now we choose the portrait size of the Instagram post. Now the next thing for us to is to aim the design, maybe like a business flyer or any type of flyer you want to do, and also we can resize it. Maybe in case we choose a template and you want to change the size again, so you can just click on resize and resize the template. Now we move to the design, in which you can see all the design template that we can use in case you don't want to start afresh again. Now we type out the event flyer in which the different templates was displayed on Canva, and we click on the element where you can choose different resources that you can add to your design right on Canva, including the shapes and other elements that you can add to your design on Canva. Now we choose the text, where you add the text, for example, into your design. Now let's start with type Canva. So the next thing for us is to change the size. You change the font, you make it bold or you leave it like that. You change the position, you change the alignment, everything right on Canva to make your design attractive whenever you download it and post on your social media platform. So like I've said earlier, you choose the font. You have to choose the font. We have various type of fonts that we can choose on Canva, and also you can import your font into the Canva. Once you subscribe to the pro version, we're able to import any type of font from outside to Canva. And also you can change the position right there in the, maybe in the middle, in the left, in the right, and also bottom or top. You can change the position. You see how I was doing it right here on the screen. And also we click on the upload. Don't forget, I said earlier that you can upload anything into the Canva. Once you click on the upload, you go to your gallery, you import the pictures or videos or music, you import it into the upload. From there, from the upload, you import it into your design, and you can reduce this or enlarge it. Now if you want to remove the background pictures of any pictures you imported, just click on the background remover menu right there on Canva. Now the background has been removed from the pictures. And don't forget, I said earlier, you click on the brand to add your logos. right from your phone, you import into the Canva. So in case you want to use it anytime for your design, you just go to the brand and import your logo into the design. You also add the pictures. Just click on that plus icon to add the pictures, and the picture will be uploaded into your brand kit. Now we go to the design back. We want to pick one template that we can edit among the event flyers. So we choose the event flyer that we want to edit. We change the date, we can change the colors, we can change the fonts. Right here, when anytime you pick a template, you change the write up. Just click on the write up and click on edit to change the text. Also the color, just click on it and click on the color at the top right menu on Canva screen right here. You can make it bold like I said earlier. You change the alignment, the position, you change the font too. See how I'm doing it on the screen, how I was changing the color. So, and after you are done, you click on share. When you are done with your design, you click on share at the top right there. You click on share and you download your design into your gallery. If this is your first time of seeing my video, don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button in order to receive more notification and tips on how to design with Canva. So our next video will be on how to create first design on Canva.